By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to start and what to focus on next in AI and robotics. The world of AI and humanoid robotics is evolving faster than ever, but finding high-quality structured learning resources is a real challenge. MAXimuz Learn exists to bring structure and clarity. We curate, contextualize, and organize the world's best resources. To use MAXimuz Learn effectively, focus on these 5 principles. 1. Be intentional, don't browse randomly, know what you want to improve. 2. Start with direction. Use structured tools, not scattered links. 3. Learn in context. Every resource is curated with relevance in mind. 4. Stay consistent, small daily progress compounds. 5. Measure progress. Reflection turns learning into mastery. Now let's see how the MAXimuz Learn helps you apply these immediately. Start with the quiz. It's your fast diagnostic tool. It helps you understand where you stand in AI and robotics knowledge and where to focus next. Navigate to Quiz or Pathfinder, scroll slightly to show questions or select your current skill level. Let us know in the comments how you scored. Next, explore Future Skills. This section highlights the most critical competencies shaping AI and humanoid robotics. This keeps your learning aligned with real-world evolution. Navigate to Future Skills, scroll through skill sections. This section highlights the most critical competencies shaping AI and humanoid robotics. Focus on what truly matters, from AI fundamentals to robotic systems and emerging technologies. Finally, use learning paths. This is where structure becomes strategy. Learning paths helps you align your interests with curated learning routes. Before you leave, take the quiz. The link is in the description below. Let us know in the comments how you scored. Subscribe for structured, noise-free insights on intelligent systems. See you in the next video.